Hello, in this video I would like to show you a technique I like to use to create different kind of kick drums with punch. So first of all, we need to take a trigger from our sequencer and patch it to the trigger input channel 1 from punch. I'm gonna use a sine wave and patch it to our mixer and the output from the mixer to punch input. I'm going to patch the output from punch into an effects module. In this case, I'm using Magneto. This will give us really cool dynamic movement to our kick drum. So let's listen the basic kick drum with just the sine wave. Let's feed some triggers to the accent input to have more variation and dynamics. Now I'm gonna use a wave-folded signal and patch it to our mixer. Let's listen it. So I'm gonna patch the envelope output from punch and patch it to a multi. Then I'm gonna use one of the copied signals and patch it to the folding amount input. And finally, we're gonna patch another copied signal and patch it to the Magneto. In this case, I'm using the speed parameter. So let's listen it. Playing with the envelope switch from punch, it can give you a totally different sound. Thank you very much for watching.